Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to delete a mention in your Instagram story. That is, if you want someone to mark your stories. Then I'll show you how to do it covertly and discreetly. And the person's nickname will not even be seen by anyone. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. After that, we choose the account where we want to add a mention in the story. Then we click Add. Here we choose any photo, any video. Then here we click Add Person. Here we enter it. Let's say it will be this person. And in order to hide it somewhere, so that it will not be visible that we marked it, we can just take and put it down to the bottom. Here at the bottom, we put it down. And after that, we click Add History. And the person we will still mark, but he will not be in the picture. That is, we just took and in the bottom of his nickname removed. This is such a simple way to do it. Remove mention in the history of Instagram. If you liked this video, be sure to put likes, subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments whether my video clip helped or not. I will read and reply to everyone. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.